and a couple pretzels.
Are you the cutest boy? This year I decided to make us my own advent calendar. So I bought this on Amazon, 24 of them, and I'm gonna fill them with, let me show you. So these are the little socks, 24 of them. They're really precious and nice with a ribbon. And inside of it, I bought some marvelous assorted chocolate and like chocolate pretzels. How good does this look? The plan is to put a few chocolates in a Ziploc snack bag like that, so that David and I can have a couple chocolates every day until Christmas. I'm really excited. I want to eat them all right now. What do you think about it, Knox? Do you agree?
This one is the same one. It looks so good with a couple salted caramel turtles and a couple pretzels. All right, putting it in the little sock. It's so precious, the sock. It's well made. It's how do you say felt? Felt. It's made out of felt, but it's pretty good quality considering. Come closer. Like that.
Time to install the advent calendar. I'm gonna put it on the wall, but first I want to get my Christmas tree out. We have a very small, cozy living room, so limited space, so our tree is not huge. And I put it on a table and it looks pretty nice. And because it's not that big, I didn't bother on decorating it last year, so everything is ready to go. I just covered it with a plastic bag. Just gonna install the tree and then put up the advent calendar. I'm putting it on the wall right there. I think it's gonna be a nice feature wall. I'm using those 3M hooks, mini hooks. I use the same hooks for my fairy lights, and I think they're gonna be working perfectly for the advent calendar. We got Lennox an advent calendar. I'm gonna give him his first day, but there's one little thing I want to show you before we end this. It's so cute. Lennox, come up, 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 up. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, wait. Okay, stay. How cute. Oh my god. Come. Sit. There you go. Are you the cutest boy? How did you find your little cookie? How did you find the hat? You like the hat? That really put me in the Christmas spirit. If you want more Christmas decor inspiration, you can go watch this one from last year, and I'll see you very soon for another one. Thanks for watching.